Welcome back to my session. This is Anamika here, and today I am here with this Eid party makeup tutorial for you guys. As I saw many of my friends are going crazy with their shopping, I thought why not let me just come up with this look right here. I was going through my wardrobe and I just thought let me just create a makeup look around this beautiful dupatta which is purple in color, and I did not create any purple look like in ages, so I thought let me just come up with this color this Eid. And even like we are stepping to this Indian festive season, so I thought let me just create this for all of you angels out there. Even Raksha Bandhan is coming up. I hope you guys will surely enjoy this tutorial, and if you do, you know what you have to do. Give me a thumbs up and even subscribe to my channel. If you are not following me on my social media handles, it's just there on the description box. Go check it out, follow me out there. And yeah, without wasting much time, now let's get into this beautiful Indian festive look right here. So guys, first thing first, I'll be going with this MAC Fix Plus as my primer, and I'm going to spritz this all over my face. And now for my foundation, I'll be going with this Maybelline Super Fresh 24 Hours Full Coverage Foundation. I'm in the shade Warm Nude 128, and I'm going to apply this foundation and dab it all over my face. And now for concealing and highlighting my face, I'll be going with this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium. And I'll be going with this on the usual areas I normally highlight and even underneath my eyes. And again, I'm going to blend this with the same beauty sponge. And now I'm going to set all these cream products with this Maybelline Super Fresh Compact Powder. And I'm even going to apply some powder on the eyelids area so it's prepped for the eyeshadow. And now I'll be going with this Makeup Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit palette. I'll be going with this contour shade right here and contour my face with this. Firstly, I'll be going with this on the hollows of my cheeks. And even I'm going to contour my forehead with this, and even I'm going with this on the jawline, and even I'll be contouring my nose slightly. And now I'll be moving on to my eyebrows off the camera. If you wish to check out my in-depth tutorial, it's just right here in this eye. You can check that out, but I'm gonna go and come back in just few seconds. So as you guys already know, my eyelids are already prepped for the eyeshadow, and now for the eyeshadow I'm going with this shade right here from Makeup Revolution Color Kiosk palette. And I'm going to apply this from the inner corners till my outer corner. I just made a half circle as you can see. And then again I'm going with the same shade of purple mixing with some of this color, and I'm just going to diffuse this on the crease. After blending the purple shade, I even used some pink from the same palette and I blended the crease area. And I'm really sorry I missed the footage over there because my camera stopped recording it. And now it's time to cut the crease. I'm again going with this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I'm going to apply this on my lids, open my eyes, and there you got the crease where you're going to cut it. And this is going to be a halo eye look, so I'm going to make sure that I'm just going to apply this on the mid of my eyes. And now I'm going to take a Q-tip and remove the excess amount of concealer. And now again I'll be going with this purple shade and apply this on the inner and on the outer V area and make sure it's nicely blended. And now again I'm going to make these two shades right here. And now for mid of my eyes, I'll be going with this shade right here from the Pack Cosmetics eyeshadow. And now I'm going with this Miss Claire glitter eyeliner, and this is in the shade 16, and I'll be going with this above the cut crease. So now I'll be going with this Rock the Line Kajal from Nykaa, and I'm going to tideline and waterline with this. And now I'll be going with this dark purple shade, and I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line. And now I'm going with this light shade, and I'm going slightly underneath the previous shade. And now for the wing liner, I'm going with this Sugar I Want You So eyeliner. And now to complete my eye look, I'm gonna apply some mascara, and this is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I'll be going with this on the top and even on the bottom lashes. So done with my eyes. Now quickly I'm going to move on to my face. I'm left with 2 steps, and for that I'm going with my blusher first. And for that I'll be going with this blusher right here from Makeup Revolution Iconic Blush Bronze and Brighten Flesh palette. I'm going to apply this on the apples of my cheeks. And now for my highlighter, I'm going with this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. And I'll be going with this on the usual areas I always go with my highlighter. And I'll even go with this on my brow bone. And now for my lipstick, I want to go for a light lip color, and for that I'm going with this Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick in the shade Suave Mauve. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I definitely enjoyed while creating for you guys, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. And yeah, that's it for this video. Want to wish you all a very happy and prosperous Eid. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'm signing off. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, love you all.